verification.
Yes.
So 17th, Your Lordship kept the other OMR matter. Yesterday I mentioned before Your Lordship.
Yes.
It has been kept on 17th. So this is also an OMR matter, my lord.
All right, give 17th.
17th.
Ensure service.
Yes, yes. Today itself.
Yes, please.
But one matter wrongly appeared under the heading interest on gratuity. But pension matter wrongly appeared under the heading interest on gratuity. I've served notice upon the other side.
What is to be done?
And let it be appear under the heading pension matter because it is in the interest of gratuity. I'm suffering.
Give the number.
But I've
It will
served
appear
notice.
in the pension bundle.
Yes, but I've already mentioned the item number also.
You ensure presence of your other side. I do not want the notice. The counsel should be there.
May I permit to mention one new contempt matter, my lord, retired benefit not.
Not now, sir.
And another, my lord, for upgradation, my lord.
No, not now.
Benefit.
My lord, item number 300, my lord.
If it is pension,
Yes, my lord.
matter relating to pension, you hand over the slip, it will be taken care of.
Item number 300, my lord. The container has changed, my lord. Kindly take it up, my lord, so that the name of the container be changed, my lord.
It will be taken up in due course.
Lordship, in item number 324, today's list, it's a Lordship, it's a contempt application. Lordship is pending since so long. Lordship, kindly take it today, Lordship, at least. The respondent authorities are not taking any steps despite of
All the contempt matters, it is the same thing.
Lordship, I mentioned it before the vacation also.
Bring your other side.
Lordship, I will.
Your other side.
My lord, item number.
I'm great. 324.
My lord, item number 319. My lord, the matter last week I have mentioned a matter. My lord was pleased to direct me to come to them. I am for the alleged contempt. Now, petition is there. So what happened? My lord directed the Arambagh police station to assist the petition, the Panchayat Pradhan in the process of demolition. During demolition, we have been state authority has been attacked. FIR registered, 6 persons are still absconding, 2 are arrested. My demolition processing, entire demolition processing is halted, my lord.
Stalled,
halted everything, my lord. Nothing is going on right now.
Nothing is going on. Police is not doing
Nothing,
anything.
my lord. That is why I am seeking a direction, my lord, of a prisoner there to the district magistrate or my lord SP. And the Pradhan, the family members of the Pradhan have been brutally attacked. He was hospitalized.
Who attacked?
My lord, the miscreants, my lord, not miscreants, my lord, those
persons responsible for making
illegal
right.
construction, my lord.
And is the police a party in the matter?
My lord. My lord, last occasion, my lord, directed the Arambagh police station to render.
Appearing.
My lord, I am taking, my lord.
Take instructions, bring your other side, I'll see.
My lord, 319, my lord.
390.
319.
19.
Lordship, last Thursday, I had mentioned the matter to be taken up under the heading contempt. Item number 280. Lordship, I served the notice. If before rising today, Lordship can take up the matter.
Last occasion, I permitted you
Lordship.
to come.
Lordship, that I couldn't find
Then
the
you
other.
cannot take it granted. Last occasion was granted. Every week it will be granted. Today, no indulgence.
May I permit to leave, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, petitioner is a participant in second SLST fresh candidate, Lordship. Lordship, publication of result, Lordship. This petitioner's candidature is cancelled, Lordship.
I did not follow, madam.
Lordship, petitioner participating in second SLST,
yes.
the fresh candidate, Lordship.
Yes.
After publication the result, Lordship, the petitioner's candidature admit and all those are cancelled, Lordship.
Yes. So what can be done? File it in the department.
Lordship, may be permitted to mention for inclusion of a matter which was appearing in the list of a Lordship on the 25th of September 2025. Lordship,
but the determination has changed. How can it appear? All the list, please.
Lordship.
Item 3.
My instruction is that part demolition.
What about the complete demolition?
Now, if you let see the last page of the report, but kindly see page 2 last paragraph on 6th November. Page 3, Malad.
Page 3.
3.
Last page 6 November.
Kindly see, Malad.
We're getting notice. KMC has informed the date of demolition. KMC will resume the job shortly on convenient date with the help of machineries to mitigate risk.
Is what happened was when they going to demolish the last.
Please come. Where is your report?
Yes.
Corporation report?
With me.
Oh,
Corporation.
corporation, nobody is there?
Lordship,
Miss Monisha Nath,
Yes.
Piyali Sengupta.
Lordship, may I make a
Yes.
submission?
He is the main person.
Lordship, one APOT was filed on 12th of September 2023. An interim order was taken from the APOT. Thereafter, it got dismissed for default. Lordship, now I have taken over the brief. Now a restoration application has been filed in August, Lordship. It is in the list, Lordship. May I have a week's time, Lordship, to come back?
None appears on behalf of the
Kindly record my water and
container
electricity
slash
connected.
corporation. Stop. Report, peruse the report of the
Officer in
officer
charge.
in charge, Amma Street Police Station, signed on 12th November 2025.
He is a contemner also.
Yes, he. It appears there from that part demolition work of the unauthorized construction took place on 6th November 2025
Yes, Khan.
and 10th November 2025. Stop. The complete demolition work could not be done because of the vibration caused, which could have adversely affected the adjacent dilapidated structure. Stop. The corporation has intimated the police that demolition work will resume shortly. Stop. Paragraph.
And kindly see Annexure D.
Acha. The corporation shall take all necessary steps to conclude the demolition work at the earliest. Stop. Release the contempt application for further consideration on 6th of January 2026.
Affidavit of service, Lordship, as per
Or, updated report of the corporation shall be placed before this court on the urgent date. Affidavit of service.
as per the last order, Lordship, I have served on the new.
What about the disconnection part?
That has been done. Kindly see the report once.
Water and electricity both?
Kindly see one.
Last order.
Kindly see one page 2.
Yes. What does it say? Water and electricity?
6th August 2025, my lord, electricity has been disconnected, and water, my lord, 31st July.
Be it recorded that water and electricity connection to the unauthorized structure has been reported to be disconnected. Yes.
আমার কাছে নেই সব আপনার কাছে
The demolition work is continuing still now.
My lord, almost 90%, 85 to 90% work is already done,
Over.
but thing could not progress because my lord, the slow pace of police assistance, as I have understood. But because all these election and Hannah, all these things are going on, so all these things will go on for some time. Your lordship grants us
Very well.
some time. We'll raise it to the ground. Because the complainant also, if your lordship recollects, she has also said that it's not in a habitable condition. The entire building is.
Please come.
I have submitted the report on the.
Representing the contemner slash corporation submits upon instruction that maximum portion of the unauthorized construction has been brought down. Stop. The rest,
Habitable.
the structure has been made inhabitable. Stop. The rest portion of the unauthorized construction will be pulled down shortly. Stop. Next. In view of such submission, released on 20th January 2026.
Grateful.
গেট
নির্মলকে ধরে রাখুন। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
My lord, there is also another mistake, my lord, in the para 8. This should be not be PE, it will be AC Purbo Medinipur.
All right, please come. Matter has appeared in the list under the heading to be mentioned for correction of certain typographical errors. The writ petition number ও তো প্রদীপ করেছেন, দুটো আছে, একটা ভুল আছে। হ্যাঁ
Great.
Lord, I am appearing for the School Service Commission.
Yes.
Ladies, I'm appearing for some of the candidates. We have filed an application for intervention as well.
For a change, here I am a party.
Writ petitioner.
I'm the petitioner. No, I'm not the
Oh,
same person. For every time I had to make an application,
for intervention, this
here
time
I'm
we
the
have been
respondent number
indicated as.
6. I have a one maintainability point.
What is the main issue?
The same issue.
28. All right, all right.
My lord, I have filed one can 3, my lord. All are untainted, my lord. Selected teachers of 26 service teachers. Lord, we can formal order. Lord, we kindly pass the for.
List this matter.
Ladyship, I'll just make one submission. I'm appearing in CAN 4. These matters, your lordships, are there before the Honorable Supreme Court. But the whole idea before the Supreme Court, I'm appearing in the matters here, is that the selection must carry forward without any hitch whatsoever. So my suggestion to your ladyship would be to put it in January rather than on 28th, which your ladyship has already put, because the matter.
Yes, Your Lord. Sorry,
Supreme-
madam, I'm fixing it on the 28th.
Very well.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
All
Lord,
the
my
next-
cost title may be amended.
What's title?
Because
I'm not.
you're allowing the
Addition-
application. Allowing the
Addition,
application.
as of now, I have not. Let it be hard on the 28th.
Okay.
Let us see if
Then-
anything y'all can get from the Supreme Court. Please
Good.
try to see that if something is
We are trying to get a clarification.
at least to some extent so that this court can proceed with any other matter. Otherwise, if the whole thing is there before the Supreme Court, the court can decide.
I think
Right.
it's before the Supreme Court. I repeat it.
That is the
Yesterday we have at length argued that the matter is before the Supreme Court. And in fact, my lord,
Beyond the expiry of patent to be tainted, the state has not done.
Oh, yeah, same.
Where
all
is
those aspects-
all over there? So you
all
go
the
over there, get it done.
My lord,
not only all over there,
kindly
and
formal
not
order.
only all over
My
there.
lord,
I am the private respondents, writ petition filed, dismissed, challenge, dismissed. I will show it. It's not
All
even
right.
maintainable.
All right, all right. And just add up one line.
the king gets you.
Let copy of all connected applications be served
Already served.
on learned advocates representing the respective parties. Yes, 3. Great.
Grateful, your
Please put in your appearances, everybody. একটু সরে দাও না Item 3.
My lord, this bias. I'm for the school service. Which is my satisfaction. That petitioner is agreed, my lord, only in case of posting.
Place of
Case of
posting.
What happened, my lord? My lord, petitioner was working in respect of past SSS 2016. The panel has been cancelled by the Honorable Supreme Court in the month of April, 3rd April 2025, my lord. My lord, Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, passed an order. My lord, I am relying paragraph 47 of that particular.
You will be provided a chance to go back to repatriation type of thing.
That paragraph I want to, my lord, I have stated in my application also. My lord, paragraph, some of the appointed candidates who do not fall within the category of tainted candidates may have previously worked in different department of the state government or with autonomous bodies, etc. In such cases, although their appointments are cancelled, this candidate will have the right to apply their previous departments or autonomous body to continue in service with those entities. The applicants must be proceeded by the respective government department or bodies within 3 months, and the candidates will be allowed to resume their position. Further, the period between the termination of their previous appointment and their rejoining will not be considered a break in service. Their seniority and other entitlements will be preserved and they will be eligible for increments. However, for the period they were employed under disputed appointment, no wages will be paid by the state government or autonomous body. Further, if required and necessary, superannuary post may be created for the person appointment in the integral. This is the position. My lord, basis of that, my lord, Honorable Supreme Court says,
Where were you serving previously?
my lord, I was service in the school education department, under the school
Education department.
Yes.
All right.
As an assistant teacher.
All right.
My lord, I immediately thereafter I made an application before the Commission of School Education Department. That since the Honorable Supreme Court said their reinstatement, I may be reinstated. There I have categorically stated previously I was working, but now in the SLST I was due to some circumstances I have participated in that examination for the better.
No, yes, then what happened?
I have categorically stated, let me allow my posting in nearby to my residence. Right? Suddenly, my lord, thereafter, my lord, what happened? Board, my lord, kindly see this notification. West Bengal Board of Secondary Education issued a notification to School Education Department. My lord, kindly read it. It is very important.
Why did you not annex it?
My lord, it has come subsequently. I am giving entire.
Yes, certainly give copies.
Yes, yes.
After you.
This.
I have several copies. I have. My lord, kindly see this order. It has passed 23rd September 2015.
Yes.
My lord, please find herewith the letter under reference of the aforesaid subject requisiting to approach your good office toward the recommendation of 546 not specifically tainted candidates of first SLE 2016 through their previous service. Accordingly, I am directed to request you to please issue recommendation letter so and so from within the tentative vacancy already reported to you. All reported service can be utilized. It has directed for 80 candidates, the vacancies pertaining to upper primary and reported earlier to be utilized. You are further requested to exhibit only those vacancies necessary for recommendation of the candidate. Vacancies for use now shall be adjusted
And boarded
as per the rule. While final vacancy are confirmed to you, the earlier letter and so and so is visible. So, my lord, entire 42,000 vacancy pursuant to this order, my lord, entire 42,000 vacancy which has been reported in respect of second SLS can be utilized by the in respect of facilitate them 546. This order is categorically stated. There is no whisper, my lord. As per this, my lord, my understanding, entire 42,000 vacancy can be utilized. My lord, now, my lord, what happened? Then few of the candidates file a content application before the Honorable Supreme Court. Content only, my lord, only that Honorable Supreme Court said, my lord, this order is also pertinent, my lord. Honorable Supreme Court said only, said the state government has given undertaking that they will immediately accommodate those candidates. So contempt, this is only for appointment. So place of posting, why I am telling me, lord. Called Full Service Commission, but document only for document verification. In the meantime, I have document verification done. I have categorically stated, let me placed in my nearby to my residence. My lord, no counseling has been made. Subsequently, my lord, 6th of November, my lord, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education called by a notice. The petitioner and petitioner came to know that they have been posted in a school which is far away from their residence. Now, my lord, question is, my lord, in entire selection, RLST rule RLST, previous posting, and SLST, there is a specific provision of counseling. My lord, I am showing the rule, my lord, once just. By which rule, my lord, I have been appointed in previous service. Rule 17, my lord, kindly see Rule 17. There is by this rule, my lord, I have been appointed in.
Very well, I have followed your submission.
My lord, there is no matter is please.
This also?
No,
the counseling portion.
What my learned friend has handed up, the contempt matter is.
No, no, the contempt, the court is not concerned.
Contempt is not.
My learned friend is handed over to lordship. All these documents have been filed by the state in their affidavit before the Supreme Court and also by the board. And doesn't matter. The
Yes.
issue is counseling over here.
Counseling only.
He has received the appointment letter. But at a place which is very far off from his residence, he wants it.
Only let them issue a fresh recommendation by the opportunity of counseling. Only counseling. If the question of counseling comes up, then it will become a long proceeding because we will oppose it. My learned friend cannot take extra advantage out of an order which was passed by the Supreme Court. He was guiding school.
Yes.
That's the way.
No, are you
not
sending
put him
them?
next to his.
Are you sending them to their original school?
No.
Malad, if I may just have 2 minutes of audience, Malad.
I'll give you more time.
Yes.
Your earlier school where you
School A.
initially worked,
Yes.
how far will you be okay if you are sent back to your old school?
My lord, question is, my lord, that particular school, my lord, the supernumerary, they can be created supernumerary.
No, right now if there is no vacancy, then it's all, but there are so many vacancies. Then
Yes.
see, where is the question of supernumerary roles?
Yes, so many vacancies are there, my lord. I am only, my lord, since my lord previously working in RLST, my lord.
I want to see the text of it. Send me the text. I want to see the text of para 40.
They have participated only place where they are, my lord, originally residing.
Quotation.
My lord, they are untainted candidate. Entire setup has been.
Listen, no use making these submissions.
Yes.
Will you go back to your old school?
Wait, previous
RLST.
RLST. That instruction I have to take, my lord.
So what is the use of filing the writ petition?
My lord, that instruction, my lord, somebody, my lord, what happened, my lord, RLST school, my lord, they have participated, SLST.
Only those.
That SLST has gone, sir.
Gone.
Then what remains? The Supreme Court has directed to repatriate those candidates.
Created, but they can utilize even SLST seats, my lord, as per board order. Even 42,000 seats they can utilize.
All right, let me hear.
Have a look to the prayer. Look to the prayer. What prayer? What?
I have no objection, my lord. Only give me an
What
opportunity
the
of counseling.
petitioner has prayed, Malad.
I'm one of the applicants. I will add only 2 things, my lord.
Where? Which matter?
With this connected matter, I am one of the writ petitioner.
Item 20. I landed.
Only 2 things, my lord. My initial appointment is A school.
A school.
But which is far away from my residence. That's why in 2016 I again appeared for better posting.
Yes.
But I appeared, I was succeeded, selected, and I got better posting. I was working there. For no fault on my part, my selection.
Listen, no use making these submissions. Lock, stock, barrel, the Supreme Court has sent you all back.
I'm not on that.
So don't make these submissions.
There are vacancies. Why they not accommodate?
Yes. Now let me hear.
Malad.
Let me hear.
Candidates there. Let me allow all the candidates for counseling. Even one day, my lord, it can be possible.
That is now the prayer.
46 recommendations there.
46 all.
Yeah,
are
there
are some candidates, my lord, at least, my lord, 167 candidates.
Today you are there. Tomorrow, Mr. Bari.
160.
Next, somebody else.
67 candidates already appointed. Better letter has been issued.
Whatever. Yes.
Yes.
Sufficient.
Malad, first thing is that as your lordship has already state, Malad.
All right.
Malad, your lordship has already noted that in paragraph 47, it was not said that they will have to be sent back to the same school. Yet, Malad, it has not been said. So same post, same rank. Now, Malad, second thing is that it is still the state's endeavor to send them back to the exact vacancy which was created because when he left, if at all, same school, if at all that vacancy is there. Now, question is, if not, when it is not there, we are trying to send them to the nearest possible vacancy. For example, this petitioner, he was earlier one was in Boshirat. This one is also in Boshirat. But suddenly they want the specific vacancy of their choice. They want to go back to, if they want to go back to a school of their choice, then they will have to approach the Honorable Supreme Court with this, seeking the clarification that the Supreme Court wanted these people to be sent back to a place where they wanted to go, irrespective of where the vacancy. And the third answer, Malad, I'll just give Malad. I'm sorry, Malad. I'll just wait for the question of the court, my lord. I'm sorry.
No, thing is, his query is why not counseling?
Yes. Now, my lord, counseling, your lordship will kindly presume a situation. Counseling is possible when there is a rank. In this, there is no common ranking system. It is not a case where they have come through a common written examination or common ranking system where we know that this person is 1, this person 2. Now, if there's a counseling, we do not know whom to give precedence, who will be 1 in there, one who will be 100 there, who will be 200 there.
They have their earlier ranks, isn't
No,
it?
that 2016 rank we cannot take.
Yes, yes, different selection process.
Yes.
Cannot compare them. Their marks.
But everyone has entered through different processes. And it is not only about teachers.
There are others also.
There are others also.
At least nearby to the my residence.
Therefore, my lord, we cannot have a counseling. My lord, counseling is practically not possible.
Counseling is not possible because there are other departments.
In that situation, my lord, I am only paying, my lord, give me liberty to file an application to place me in a nearby to my residence. My lord, I will place, they will consider, my lord, sitting aside.
No.
Why not accept it, then apply for transfer or something?
I have to, my lord, then I bow down to the rule of transfer rule that I have to wait for 5 years.
You have to.
Kindly consider.
Will it be better if your service goes?
No, my lord, I am not against the appointment, my lord. I am not against the appointment.
Please come.
Only give me liberty, my lord, setting aside, my lord, only setting aside that appointment. Give me liberty to approach the commission.
Only place where he can approach to the Honorable Supreme Court with the clarification.
The recommendation letter also. You are not agreeable to the place. Then you'll go.
To that extent, my lord. Only
You will go.
My lord, kindly modify.
Listen, a bird in hand is worth 2 in a bush. So please accept what is there. You are not in a position to make choices now. And if you want to say something more, approach the Supreme Court, get an order.
My lord, it is completely arbitrary action. Kindly
Please come.
But Supreme Court has preserved their seniority, preserved their increments, but not this. Specifically not this.
Actual petitioner. The petitioner participated in the recruitment process of assistant teachers in SLST 1. The entire selection process stood nullified by the Honorable Supreme Court.
May I take it also leave?
The Honorable Supreme Court, however, directed that the candidates who do not fall within the category of tainted candidates and may have previously worked in different departments of the state government or with autonomous bodies, etc., will have the right to apply to their previous departments or autonomous bodies to continue in service with those entities. The applications have been directed to be processed and the candidates to be allowed to resume their positions. Paragraph. The petitioner has been issued a recommendation letter, but at a school which is far off from his residence. Submission is that the authority should have permitted the petitioner to appear in the process of counseling so that the petitioner could have made a choice of the school where he can be appointed. He na she boda. Pinky লিখেছে তো ঠিক আছে stop. The aforesaid submission of the petitioner is opposed by the learned advocates representing the respondents. Stop. It has been submitted that counseling will not be practicable as there are candidates from various departments and autonomous bodies. Stop. There is no common merit list by which the inter se seniority of the candidates can be assessed. Stop. The authority is taking steps to repatriate the candidates to their original place of posting as much as possible. Stop. If the original vacancy is not available, comma, the candidates are recommended to the nearest place of their earlier place of posting. Stop. Next. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the parties and on perusal of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 3rd April 2025 in civil appeal number SLP আছে civil appeal আছে SLP আছে 9586 of 2024
SLP 958
it appears that the Honorable Court did not mandate the authority to provide the candidates positions as per their choice. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court only mentioned that the candidates will be allowed to resume their positions. Stop. In the instant case, the posts in which the candidate was working has been allowed to be resumed. Stop. The court does not find any error on the part of the authority in not conducting the counseling process as alleged. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the court is not inclined to exercise jurisdiction in the matter. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
I'm grateful.
Item number 4.
4, my lord, similar.
এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন এটাও দরকার নেই ফেরত এটা নেই 4 same order. Respondents appearance please be noted. 5 same order.
Same.
6 same. 7
Same.
appearances please.
Yes.
Appearance
7.
8 appearances 9 yes 10 11
Yes, my lord.
12
5.
13 give appearance 14 15 16
I am for the state.
17 18 19 20 same order yes
Your Lordship, 6, item 6. For the state. Thank you.
Yeah.
Full number bol.
please call 21
21 time for the petitioner matter relates to higher pay scale. I missed the special bench judgment and another
I
judgment
have
of
it with me
another judgment of coordinate bench. Same point issue. Kindly take
I
it
have-
tomorrow. I will do it tomorrow.
I have the special bench judgment
Another judgment of coordinate bench. This identical issue delivered judgment.
so what the special bench judgment will prevail isn't
Kindly
it
only one day. Tomorrow I will do it. Certainly I will do it.
Issues, but then if you say you do not have the judgment that is not the
Another
case.
judgment of coordinate bench on self same issue. This particular issue.
Anyway,
Only not today. Tomorrow I will do it.
22
For the state, my lord.
tomorrow 22
My lord, led by Mr. এটা থেকে শুরু হ্যাঁ offline
who is your other side
It's been served. All served. Well, school is to be page 81 and 82. Offline application.
81 and 82.
Yes, this is the
Offline application before the school
school. School has not yet
considered
NOC. Yes. Well,
pending
page
before the
82.
school. Offline
That's
head
in
of the
prescribed pro forma. Page 82.
yes.
Yes.
ঠিক আছে স্কুলের একটা করা আছে
এটা affidavit of service, my lord.
yes
দেখি next.
23
Sorry, my lord, I could not. Oh, sorry, my lord. Could not.
don't pant, take some water.
Just for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes,
Kindly take page 91 for once. It is pending at the
if
end
you
of.
want to sit, take rest.
No,
Your junior is here, he can carry forward.
I'm fine, my lord. Page 91.
91
This is the status online transfer application. Kindly see the first. It has been forwarded to the commission. Serial number 1 from DI. It has gone to commission. Medical has been done. Kindly take the next page 94.
why 94 for this is the last one.
No, page 91.
Page 91, the transfer application of the incumbent is
Yes.
forwarded to WBS.
Commission. It is pending at
Note
the
the medical may please be seen and action be taken.
Yes,
It is
now
pending before the commission.
medical is over. Kindly take 94 also. See the observation. Medical board has allowed it.
All right.
That is what I'm-
22.
page 94. Yes. And my lord.
Now the
page-
commission will take a decision.
Yes. Fresh CMO, your lordship is directing.
ফার্দার হেলথ চেকআপ করে নিতে পারে 22 হয়েছিল তো তা 25 হয়ে গেছে 3 years. Yes. Fresh
CMO is verification.
if required the commission will conduct fresh test, otherwise if 94 is there they
It
will
is already there.
medical ground
কোথা থেকে দৌড়ে
disposed, all disposed.
ওকে যেটা হয়ে গেছে।
Yes,
Offline application. Page 74.
show me your service. Nobody is appearing. Why is it
Service
so?
is complete.
Negi?
Perhaps, my lord, there is a sudden call possibly for that reason.
But ওরা তো থাকে usually থাকে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে কমিশন আইটেম বুক 16 আইটেম ডেলিভার 10-11 ঠিক আছে yes
The নামগুলো রেকর্ড হচ্ছে না। Yes, my lord, kindly take page 74. This is the application. And 79 is the reason given. School has not yet issued NOC.
general transfer it's pending before the school
Authority.
আমি বৈশালীর কাছে একটা ফোল্ডার করিয়েছি disposed
আমরা আছে
A short passable, Mr. Onindalai is appearing in court number 1. Matter is going on, Lordship. Just kindly fix at 12 o'clock. He's just coming.
দেখো খোলো রুলটা খুলে বলো।
so wherever and I am in 12 I have to take up this matter.
Lordship, kindly, Lordship.
Not today,
General.
all the next matter.
General.
But I appear for the this is my affidavit of service. But the here the petitioner and the private respondent were appointed as
Petitioner and the private respondent who is appearing.
my lord, I have dispatched my lord, but the track is not.
Track record has not come. That means it has not been served. When did you put it to post?
My lord, on 7th, my lord.
7th November.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your prayer? Tell
But
me.
the petitioner is claiming pay protection, my lord. But the petitioner and the private respondents were appointed as past graduate teacher, my lord, in same school in the year 2006, my lord. Thereafter, the petitioner was appointed as assistant teacher pursuant to 12 RLST, my lord, in my lord, the honors PG post, my lord. My lord, and after 1st July 2024, my lord, the private respondent since postgraduate teacher after 18 years of service, my lord, his grade pay has been changed, my lord, and he is getting the higher grade pay. My lord, it appears, my lord, the private respondent is getting higher pay than the petitioner, my lord, despite having the the higher qualification and my lord, and there has been no the break in the continuity of service, my lord.
Both joined together.
Yes, my lord. Almost, my lord, April 2006, my lord.
Is any request made before the authority?
Yes, my lord, request made, but
Where?
the page 44, my lord. There,
Yes.
my lord, thereafter, my lord, the school forwarded the same to the head DI, my lord, but DI, my lord, refused to forward to the schools commissioner of school education without assigning any reason, my lord.
Why? I can see reason is there. They are different teaching qualification and pay scale.
But no, my lord, the cryptic order, my lord, no hearing was granted, my lord.
Hearing may not have been granted. Yeah, you are for the
But
TTI.
let commissioner of school education take a decision.
Petitioner never pointed out where the wrong petition is.
Yes, my lord, I have given.
Never pointed out. He pointed only.
Why don't you give him an
Yes,
opportunity
ma'am.
of hearing?
Yes.
Or you can file a report. I can see that
Or,
also.
my lord, the commissioner of school education may take a decision, my lord.
No, no.
Yes, my lord. After hearing, my lord.
আচ্ছা আসুন তো দেখি the petitioner is aggrieved by the order passed by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, South 24 Parganas, rejecting his prayer for pay protection. Stop. The communication made by the DI to the school where the petitioner is serving, dated 26th August 2025, mentions that the applicant and the other teachers have different teaching qualification and pay scale, and accordingly pay protection cannot be granted.
My lord, petitioner third time join in the new post, my lord, in 2013.
But then the earlier post pay protection will be there.
Yes. There has been no
pointed out.
Yes, my lord.
Acha, learned advocate representing the na তার আগে লিখুন prayer has been made to set aside the impugned order of rejection and direct the authority to reconsider the matter afresh. Stop. Learned advocate representing the District Inspector of Schools submits that the petitioner did not point out the discrepancy in his pay protection. Stop. The till the petitioner points out the mistakes in his pay protection, in his scale of pay, comma, protection of his pay cannot be allowed. Stop. Next. None appears on behalf of the private respondent. Stop. Affidavit of service is on record. Stop. On a perusal of the impugned order, it appears that the same is an absolute cryptic one. Stop. The issues which were considered by the District Inspector of Schools for rejecting the prayer of the petitioner are not clear. Stop. It has been submitted that no opportunity of hearing was granted to the petitioner prior to passing the impugned order. Stop. Next. In view of the above, to uphold the principle of natural justice, comma, the impugned order, the impugned communication dated 26th August 2025 is set aside. Stop. The District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, South 24 Parganas is directed to grant an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner, comma, the private respondent and the school authority to arrive at a decision with regard to the prayer of the petitioner for pay protection. For its jayagaয় seeking pay protection. Stop. A decision shall be taken in the matter at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
Okay.
Writ petition disposed.
Okay. May it please your lordship. My affidavit of service, all are being served.
Teacher in charge of the school.
My lord, this the
Board.
petition-
What about the state? Is the state an important party?
Yes, yes.
State is. Commission is also there. What is your prayer?
My lord, it's a voluntary retirement of service. Petitioner joined school in the year August 1995.
All right.
Then after completion of 20 years, my lord, she was diagnosed with mental illness. I have annexed all the prescriptions, my lord. Thereafter, application was made for voluntary retirement of service. That was made way back in, my lord will kindly come. Annexure P3, page 32.
Yes.
May I read out, my lord?
No. Then what happened?
My lord, that was given. Thereafter, no communications. Again, applications, representations are made. Then the school authority came up with a letter that you have been sent letters at your address, but those letters were never being served upon them. Admittedly, it's in the resolution, it stated that those letters were returned back. And repeatedly, my petitioner have been giving representations, and about that was not considered till date. She candidly stated she is being of mental.
Are you continuing your service in the
No, my
school?
lord.
Are you attending?
No.
Since when?
Since the date of I've given the letter.
23.
Lordship, 10th of yes, my lord. Since then, I'm not I'm not getting any salary.
Why did you not approach the court earlier? It's 2 years that you've not approached.
My
the
lord, this is that was not done, but I repeatedly letters were being given.
Listen.
I bow down to your lordship.
Then
I bow down to your lordship. This was not done.
All right, let me hear the school.
School, my lord, for the petitioner, the pupil of the school has grossly suffered. It is a my lord in area where my lord the students needs to be educated. The only English teacher from 2020-22 entire year, she was unauthorizedly absent. Total calculated, we have sent it to the board as well as to the DI 1712 days unauthorized absence. The leave statements, the absence statements.
Listen, somebody is mentally unwell.
Yes, that is the thing.
She is not in a position to teach the students.
Kindly, my lord, peruse, my lord, that medical prescription.
All right.
It's coming from 2023, but he started remain absent from the year 2020 and prior to that. From 2020 to 75 days and all.
Let the board take a decision.
Yes, that may be.
Oh, why will you stand? She is not willing. Assuming she is well.
She is not willing.
Well.
She comes. There is no provision from half day absence or half day leave.
She comes and goes.
Yes.
What is the use of keeping her? Let her go. Let there be a vacancy and fill up somebody.
We had to face other teachers objecting. They went for a strike saying that if this kind of privilege is given to her, we will also be not being working. This is the situation of the school, total chaotic situation made by her.
Achha. The petitioner seeks, the petitioner is serving as an assistant teacher.
In English.
Since 7th August 1995. Stop. She seeks voluntary retirement. Stop. The petitioner prays for a direction upon the authority to consider her prayer for voluntary retirement. Stop. Learned advocate representing the school submits upon instruction that the petitioner is on unauthorized leave since 2020. Stop. For the absence of the petitioner, the students of the school are hugely suffering. Stop. Next. Upon hearing, the petitioner contends that she is suffering from mental illness and is not in a position to teach the students. Paragraph. এই লাস্টের সেন্টেন্সটা না যেখানে পিটিশনার বক্তব্য হলো সেইখানটাতে দিয়ে দেবে, তারপর স্কুলের বক্তব্য।
Submission may be recorded at total unauthorized absence more or less 1712 days.
The petitioner was absent in school for 1712 days
My lord, in this context, may I make
Next.
one submission?
without entering into the merit
Lordship.
of the allegations made by the parties, comma, as it appears that the petitioner has already expressed her unwillingness to continue in service. Accordingly, the authority ought to take a decision in the matter. Stop. A teacher who claims to be mentally unfit cannot be permitted to teach these students. Stop. In view of the above, the school is respondent number 7.
7, my lord.
The head of the institution of Garden Reach Maulana Azad Memorial Girls within bracket Higher Secondary School is directed to forward the request of the petitioner for voluntary leave, if not already forwarded, along with all other necessary documents to the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education to take a decision with regard to the petitioner's leave. Stop. After the leave issue is finalized by the board, comma, then necessary consequential steps in respect of her prayer for voluntary retirement be processed and disposed of. Stop. The entire exercise by the school and the board should conclude at the earliest, but positively within a period of 4 months from the date of communication of this order. The fate of the petitioner's application shall be made known to her. An opportunity of hearing be provided to the petitioner for production of all documents in support of her claim.
Extremely
Disposed.
grateful, my lord.
Would you be pleased to peruse this school's letter to the board?
No,
We have already
If not,
forwarded-
that, if not, grateful, man.
Retired headmaster led,
Sir, it is.
retired in the month of
Your
June
side,
service.
who is the authority?
কে আছে?
State?
State net.
When GP service?
Yes,
Given?
service complete.
Who's there? When did you serve?
Lad. Okay.
Okay.
But may I serve and come back?
Not this week?
Lawyer ke, हाँ, lawyer ke service kar do.
Not this week.
Can it be on Tuesday instead of Monday?
Stay. লিস্টের নিচে মঙ্গলবারের ডেটটা দিয়ে দেবেন। Yes.
Petitioner has participated in the second SLC 2025, and she's an in-service teacher. She was a candidate in SLC 2016. As per the order dated 17th April, in terms of Supreme Court's order, she is in-service candidate. And the main concern here is that, my lord, she has been appointed from 2023, but in a sanctioned post of from the year 2018-19. For that, my lord, please come to page 49.
What is your prayer?
My prayer is that although
10
I
marks?
should, yes, my lord,
Then I'll
she should,
fix it on the 28th.
my lord, kindly record an order. If 10 marks is given, then she should get the full 10 marks as per her experience.
If she has joined from 23,
Yes, my lord,
then how
but
can she be
kindly, my
given
lord, come to once 49 page.
whether 1 mark or 10 mark?
My lord,
Supreme Court
kindly 49, my lord.
list on 28th.
28. 8th of November.
Yes.
If your lordship could see page 49 once, then
Call the next matter.
grateful, my lord.
No order.
Yes, next.
My lord, 32, 33 also 10 marks. My
10
lord.
marks.
10.
All right, 28th.
32, 32, 30.
Till 33. 28th. 34, 34. 28th.
14 हम देवो की हाँ
34.
My lord, I am for the petition. My lord, I am paying for short password. Actually, the senior counsel is engaging in another court. My lord.
but matter relates to my 10 marks here working as a Navodaya central government school.
Oh, you are they are allowed.
Yes, yes. Well,
Then where is the commission? Served.
already one order has been at page my lord 34 37 page 37 my lord, one order.
There are separate orders, better orders in your favor. Where are those?
Better order. Actually, my lord, another MAT
Where-
application number 1838 of 2024,
Yes.
page number 43.
Right, then this is better. 14th October.
That was in our favor and the similar case, my lord.
Make application. আমি তো করে দিচ্ছি
There is a submission, there is an order where submission of the board has, commission has been recorded that they will allow the students from, teachers from this Navodaya schools.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that order? Bring it.
My lord,
Where is the commission? Where is your service? Sir? Not today. Bring your other side. Yes, call the list.
All right, I'm for the petition. It was served in the year 2022. New motion stage not been heard as yet.
What is the matter?
Matter of transfer application.
Transfer.
Petition
Where is it pending?
pending as per 10% quota, that application is returned back to the page 35.
It is returned back to the head of the institution.
36, page 36.
Yes, according to the president,
According to
10%
President
of
FC,
existing staff has been
thereafter, he made application before the district inspector school, as his wife also suffering from gynecological disorder, that is on of the ground, and his two minor children aged about 6 years.
When?
So district inspector.
When did you make the application?
Lord,
Previously, the
yes.
application was on which ground?
Page 39, my lord.
Page 36, the application was on which ground?
Distance,
Only distance ground.
yes. My lord, then my lord, district inspector of school sent the letter to the my lord school, my lord, page 42. That by directing the my lord, as my lord, NOC was not given, for that reason, my lord, his application 104 kilometer distance from the petitioner house. Thereafter, my lord, DI page 42, my lord, sent a letter to the head of the institution to dispose the my lord, decision in respect of medical ground on the disposal will be made as per stipulated rules.